What's going on, folks? It's your man Jay, and I wanted to do a quick video on a nice little upgrade or addition that I added for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. Now, my GoPro Hero 7 Black suffers from serious battery drain for some reason, but I actually use this a lot. I use this camera to record more footage on the channel than you would possibly believe. I only use this camera pretty much when doing videos on my car page. And so this camera is getting a lot of usage. So I decided to jump on Amazon and I found me a 3-pack battery, looks like by some company named Artband. I paid $25 for all 3 of these and the charger. Now, the best part about this is it's Type-C. So this is just something I wanted to share. It just comes in this little generic box and it has a little Type-C charger in there, but I already have an Anchor set up. So, but this is something that I didn't think I would need to invest in for the GoPro. But after a while, it's getting a little banged up, but it still works just fine. But the camera itself works flawlessly. It's just a matter of that battery life. Now, these batteries that I grabbed are actually 1500 milliamps a piece. And this battery, I believe, is 1280 or something like that, or 1220. That font is way too small. I can't really see it. Let me see if I can focus. You can see it there. You can read that. The milliamps should be on there. They might be on this side. Yeah, there we go. 1220. So that is something that really used to upset me. I would be doing a video or something like that, and then lo and behold, the battery dies. And I was too upset about that. So I've actually used external batteries because the Hero 7 Black can actually work with external batteries. So I got a 20,000 milliamp that I can plug directly in. You just remove this door, these come off. You can plug directly into the Type-C and get your record on. But I can't do that if I'm on the go. So I figured I'm going to have to invest in some batteries. And it's got a nice little weight to it. It's got some of the amperes down there and everything, but it's good, man. I don't think I'm going to have a problem with running out of battery life now. So I just wanted to share with you guys a quick video. This isn't a sponsor video or anything. I just like to share when I get something. Some of you guys might have been wondering who used the GoPro Hero 7 Black and you were wondering, hey, my battery sucks. What should I do? Well, I've taken plenty of measures with the GoPro Hero 7 Black as far as battery life and recording. And the last thing you want to do is have it run out on you while you're doing a recording. So, I guess I'll leave a link to this down below. Again, I paid $25. It was actually $27 and it was like a $2 discount or something. They have those little check boxes before you check out. That's all that happened right here. So there it is. My latest purchase, one of many, another battery, triple trio battery here for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I absolutely love this camera. I know there's another action camera out by DJI. Thought about grabbing it, but I was like, man, I'm already heavily invested in this one. I've got chest mounts, all kinds of brackets, hats, everything. I got everything loaded up for this thing. So I'm sticking with it until it doesn't work anymore. So that's your man Jay. This 3-pack is charging now, and I'll be ready to pop a battery in and out if I start to get low. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Take care.